This video guide will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups that come from the site Nlyimprese.fun. Nlyimprese.fun. It's extremely dangerous for you to interact with all these pop-ups because when you mistakenly click on the allow button, the browser gets hijacked. It means you will start getting strange ads that will be redirecting your browser to all kinds of malicious pages in the internet. The feature of web push notifications is decent in many cases. For example, it is used by some commercial websites or news websites to let you know about the latest news or the latest product arrivals to your online store. But the problem with these pop-ups that come from Nlyimprese.fun is that they instead forward you to the great variety of dangerous pages on the web. So if you mistakenly click on allow button, the browser gets hijacked. You start seeing strange ads randomly and redirections to many unfamiliar pages in the internet. Go to the menu, click on Settings, then Site Settings and Notifications. You need to carefully examine the Allow area. If you find some suspicious sites here, like this one, you need to click on this button and remove this site from the list. Finally, I strongly recommend scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application and start scanning your Mac with this utility. This is the way the program looks like. By the way, it's initially in the trial mode. However, it has some free features: disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. These are free features and the antivirus is the part of the premium license. Click on Start Combo Scan and the program will scan your Mac for free. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific thread manually one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.